Hey guys, welcome. I'm Kolie and I'm going to do a unbagging and a review for the Arrows of Tarot by Mystical Moon Oracles. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Please hit the notification bell for more videos to come. And so I bought this deck off of Etsy. I think this deck was about 50 bucks. It doesn't come with a box nor a guidebook, but I do love her decks. She's one of my favorites that I get decks from. But this is the side. I'm gonna jump right in it. Let me just show you guys the sides, and then also the back, which is really cute, and the cardstock. So they are thin, as you can tell, and they feel kind of, I would say, smooth, a smooth finish, but I still love them. They are still good to work with. And so I'm going to dive right in. Bring that down a bit. There we go. Okay, so this is the Fool, and she has new love on it. Magician, Law of Attraction, the little Cupid in the middle, the love hands. High Priestess, Trust Your Vibes. This is a cute deck too. Empress, Feminine Energy. Emperor, Masculine Energy. Hierophant, Tradition. The Lovers, Soul Connection. The Chariot, Travel. So she kind of got like just a quick short interpretation on the decks. Strength, Inner Power. That's cute, I like that. Hermit, Solitude. It's Ebb and Flow, Wheel of Fortune. Justice, Law of Karma. Hangman, Delays. Death, Endings. There's an arrow through the skull. Temperance, Divine Timing. Addiction, Devil. Tower, Disruption. Like that. This is the Star Renewal. I like that. That's cute. Moon, Mystery. Sun, Brighten. Judgment, Life Review. World, Full Circle. Oh, that is gorgeous. That's cute. I like those colors. I love those colors. This is beautiful. Ace of Flames. So this is like the Ace of Wands, but she has them as the Ace of Flames. So New Passion. Two of Flames, Choices. They all dressed up. Three of Flames, Waiting. Four of Flames, Stability. Five of Flames, Revelry. Six of Flames, bullseye. Seven of Flames, back off. I like that. She has back off. Eight of Flames, movement. Got the little letter there. I wonder what it says. To Amorse. I think that's what it says. To Miss Amorse. Not sure. Very little writing. Nine of Flames, survivor. 10 of Flames, crash and burn. Youth of Flames, arousing. It's like the Page of Wands. Seeker of Flames, intensity. Knight of Wands. Keeper of Flames, fairy. Let's say the Queen of Wands. Yeah. She got her hands tied behind her back on here. That's interesting. And Master of Flames, alluring. And this is the King of Wands. He looks handsome. Now to the Ace of Hearts, offering. So this is the Ace of Cups. The Two of Hearts, partnership. The Three of Hearts, good times. Four of Hearts, boredom. Five of Hearts, self-pity. Six of Hearts, past lives. Seven of Hearts, reality check. Eight of Hearts, departure. I like that. That's cute. That's different. Nine of Hearts, fulfillment. 10 of Hearts, joy. I love all those beautiful colors. Little hearts everywhere, but I can't tell if it's... Oh, it's a couple. It's a couple kissing. Youth of Hearts, flirtations. Seeker of Hearts, courtship. Keeper of Hearts, warm. Master of Hearts, deep. Now to the Ace of Arrows, which is the Ace of Swords, stimulating. Two of Arrows, stuck. Three of Arrows, painful loss. Recovery. Four of Arrows. Five of Arrows, unfair. Six of Arrows, transition. Seven of Arrows, sneaky. Eight of Arrows, trapped. Overthinking. Nine of Arrows. 10 of Arrows, the end. Youth of Arrows, confronting. Seeker of Arrows, aggressive. Keeper of Arrows, sharp. Master of Arrows, discipline. Down to the Ace of Keys, opportunity, which is the Ace of Pentacles. Two of Keys, adjustments. 3 of Keys Corporation, 4 of Keys Tight Grip, 5 of Keys Shut Out, looks like a locked door, the lock on it. 6 of Keys Equality, that's cute with the 2, it looks like 2 owls or something maybe. 7 of Keys Weighing Options, 8 of Keys Learning, 9 of Keys Self-Reliant, 10 of Keys Financial Security, 'Youth of Keys Sprout, and this is the Seeker of Keys Dedicated, and the Keeper of Keys Abundant. That's cute, I like her. The fro. And the Master of Keys Successful. Okay, so I'm gonna shuffle these for you guys and pull a collective card as well. So let's see how they shuffle. Okay, they do shuffle good. I like the way they shuffle. Yeah, I'm gonna pull a collector card here. Okay, so let's see what we have for you guys, for whoever's on your mind. Since these are the Arrows of Love Tarot. So let's see what we got. Five of Hearts, self-pity. So you may be having some regret or feeling sad or depressed, even lonely, or someone could be making you feel this way. Or you could be still hurt from the past as well. But I hope you guys are fine. Whatever it is, just leave it in the past. But I also want to mention to you guys, I do have some good goodies coming up, some upcoming decks. I'm just waiting on them. But for the month of October, I have some goodies as far as the decks. But I definitely know some should be coming next week. So we'll just wait and see, and hopefully it comes on time. But yeah, they're supposed to come, so stay tuned because I have more upcoming decks. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.